overall budget allocation for Northeast India during the UPA government was 36,000 crore plus minus. But it is now increased by three folds. नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए जो बजट सब 8 स्टेट को लेके जो बजट रखा जाता है, पहले था ये यूपी के जमाने में 36,000 करोड़ प्लस माइनस अप्रोक्सीमेटली, लेकिन ये अब 1 लाख करोड़ का जो लिमिट है वो भी क्रॉस कर चुका है. सो दिस इज द रियल चेंज. एंड माय डियर मीडिया फ्रेंड्स, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में टोटल लेंथ ऑफ नेशनल हाईवेज grew with around 11,000 kilometers highway constructed since 2014. 2014 से 11,000 किलोमीटर नेशनल हाईवे को दिया गया है, बनाया गया है, पूर्ण किया गया है. Waterways, earlier it was only one waterways. Now Northeast has got 20 waterways. So why I'm mentioning right from waterways, roadways, everywhere? Because connectivity is the prime requirement for development. And we are now, Northeast and Sikkim are now well connected to the rest of the world. And a few points, all of my media friends know it, just with pride, immense pride, at the celebrating the 11th year of our Modi Sarkar. I'd like to mention the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, under which 4.1 crore houses are built. In Sikkim, under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, urban, 299 houses have been sanctioned, all of which have been grounded, and 217 houses have been completed. And in Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin में भी 1,393 ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर चुका है, हो चुका है. सो इन सिक्किम 1,397 houses have been sanctioned, of which 1,393 have been completed. Swachh Bharat Mission, under Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin, Sikkim became the first ODF state in March 2016 and the first ODF plus model state in 2014. And for this, along with, thanking our Modi Sarkar, I must, being an Indian, I must thank the people of Sikkim. In many aspects, Sikkim is the role model for the rest of India. Our Sikkim is fully organic, plastic free. It's the rest of our country, that is 1.39 billion people, they take pride because of this exemplary, initiatives taken by the citizens, proud citizens of our Sikkim. ये इजी बात नहीं है पूरा प्रदेश को ऑर्गेनिक रखना, प्लास्टिक फ्री रखना, एंड मोरोवर दिस इज द मॉडल स्टेट स्वच्छ भारत के लिए सिक्किम इज द मॉडल स्टेट. एंड प्रधानमंत्री गरीब कल्याण अन्न योजना in Sikkim, over 4.07 lakh NFSA accepted persons and 3.81 lakhs are currently covered. And the rest, कुछ टेक्निकल कारण से नहीं हुआ है, वो भी हो जाएगा. आयुष्मान भारत प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना in Sikkim, as of in March 2025, Ayushman card created 86,942. लास्ट 30 डेज में 1704 आयुष्मान कार्ड बनाया गया है. इट इज ऑल्सो रिमार्केबल. सिक्किम में आयुष्मान कार्ड्स क्रिएटेड फॉर 86,942. हॉस्पिटल्स एम्पेनल्ड 19 हॉस्पिटल्स आर एम्पेनल्ड. एंड हॉस्पिटल admissions, that is taking the benefit of Ayushman card, which is a dream project or a practical, the fruitful step initiated by Prime Minister, Ayushman Bharat. Under that scheme, out of this empaneled 86,942 hospital admissions, 12,067. मतलब जो सपना देख के ये शुरू किया गया था आयुष्मान भारत, इसमें 12,000 प्लस लोगों को ये सुविधा प्राप्त हुए हैं. एंड कृषि उड़ान scheme, Pakyong Airport, regarding Pakyong Airport, I have already mentioned. And with some few facts, I will conclude because the list is so long, it will take another 1 hour. So only I try to highlight on few major and important points, that is peace, harmony, progress, development, infrastructure, health, education, connectivity, and Krishi. This only in a few segments I tried to highlight. We have so many departments, ministries, and so many goals we have achieved. So to cover all these achievements, it will take another 1 hour. So before I conclude, I would like to just mention 2-3 things for your kind information. E-Shram card. E-Shram cards, it is a tool to empower our Shramik Bandhus. So in that, 46,530 beneficiaries are included only in Sikkim. Our unorganized workforce are now going to get organized, and moreover, they are empaneled and listed in our government portal, that is E-Shram. So in Sikkim only, 46,530 our beneficiaries have been enlisted. Ayushman Bharat, above 70 years. So Ayushman Bharat is now open. This benefits is for any citizen, any senior citizen above 70 years. And I'm so proud to say that in Ayushman Bharat, 70 years plus, इस कैटेगरी में 7,415 elderly citizens have enlisted their names. 7,415 senior citizens are included till date in Ayushman Bharat. And BPL, that category I have already mentioned, it has increased now, 88,218 up-to-date data. And ASHA, 3,116. So, Lakhpati Didi. So, along with empowering our entrepreneurs, MSME sectors, our farmers, students, senior citizens, the startups, sports, music, culture, in each and every sector, being a responsible and committed government, Modi ji's government has contributed significantly, very systematically. And another very important focus of this government, in the prime sectors, that is empowering our Nari Shakti. The 33% reservation for our Nari Shakti, that Adhiniyam has already been passed in both the parliaments, all of us know it. But again, if I come to another aspect of Nari Shakti development and empowerment, the 2 points is there. Earlier, it was women development. But now, people have coined one term that Modi ji has initiated and has been successful in Nari Shakti-led development. Women-led development. Pehle kya tha? Pehle tha women development. But now, people say, no, Modi ji has now started women-led development. And for this, we have seen, right from, we can now see, being with immense pride, that our Nari Shakti is, how our Nari Shakti is contributing for Chandrayaan ho, ya in our defense system, in our civil services ho, ya culture. Like that, even the Nari Shakti of our rural areas, even the remotest part, Nari Shakti are empowered. Nari Shakti, women as a whole, are empowered for